This is what it looks like in Fayetteville right now. On top of the mountain here. It's about 12:30. And it's been raining here all day today. And I can say that we needed the rain. That's my honest opinion. We honestly needed the rain for our grass. There were a lot of brown spots. So thank the Lord for the rain. And praise the Lord for a porch. I can sit here on my porch right here. Put my feet up in my chair. Got another seat over there. If Sister Gina want to come out, sometimes she sits over here, puts her feet up, and I'll sit over there. I'll have to get me another one of these chairs or something, put it over there. Ooh, just sat down. But anyway, I think I might go inside and it's getting a little chilly out here. Woo! Get me some cover and cover up and get me some cover, come and bring it back out here and cover up on the porch. Might take me a little nap. I don't know. Dr. Kim, enjoying life. Peace out.